This is my sweetheart Karen, who I've been with about a year and a wee bit now, and well, enjoy video.
Right, folks, you all seen Gemma got dumped her boyfriend for snoring. Karen thought it'd be pretty funny even before that to record me snoring. Personally, I can't even hear myself in her videos, so if you want to go and check them out, Karen Malbon, Malbon, because nobody ever seems to be able to find the name, and listen to me. But listen to this.
Not loud, sure it doesn't sound that loud, sure it doesn't. Keep listening.
And she says, I snore. Do you see the cat decibel counters?